Let's look at creating a custom stage and explore shell script provisioner to provision a target infrastructure on demand during the pipeline run. So click on create a pipeline, give it a name, demo EC2. So with this pipeline, we'll see how to provision an instance on AWS. Now before creating a stage, create two variables. Click on variables, add variable, AWS access key, select the secret. So I already created a secret. Let's select that, AWS access, create one more variable, AWS secret key, type secret, save, apply changes, click on add stage, choose custom stage, give it a name, provision EC2, instance, setup stage, click on add step. So for demo purpose, I'll use shell script utility and let's see how to pass output variable to the next step or subsequent stages. Click on shell script, give it a name, set env script. Let's choose the saved variable. So it shows pipeline.variable because we saved the variable at the pipeline level. And now let's add two output variable, AWS access key, value access, which we are getting from the script. Add one more variable, AWS secret key, value secret. Again, we get that from the script. Choose the execution target. We can execute it on a target host or on a delegate. So let's choose delegate. I choose the one I deployed, Dr. Delegate. Apply changes. And now let's add shell script provisioner stage. So you can use shell script provisioner to leverage your existing automation scripts like Ansible, Pulumi, and set up the target infrastructure for the deploy stage. Give it a name, launch EC2 instance. So you can either store the script file in the harness or you can choose inline. So I'll go with inline for this demo. I'll copy my script that will use AWS CLI command to launch an AWS instance. So let's add the output variable that we defined in the previous step. Select AWS access key. That's the name of the output variable, and AWS secret key. So this demo script will export AWS access key and secret key, and then it's going to install AWS CLI, and then it's going to create an instance using the AMI, instant type, give the key name, security group ID, subnet, which region, and then the name will be harness automator. Let's choose the delegate, Dr. Delegate, apply changes, click save. Oops. Okay, let me select the value for AWS secret key variable that we defined at the pipeline level. Apply selector, apply changes, click save. So now before running this pipeline, let's check the AWS console. I'm in Singapore region, no instance so far. Now let's run the pipeline. Pipeline started successfully. Let's wait for the output. So the first step that uses shell script utility, which is set env started. You can see the output and we can see the variable that we set, secret and access. So the shell script provisioner step executed successfully. It installed AWS CLI, as you can see, and it used AWS CLI command to launch an instance. So let's check AWS console, refresh. You can see the name. It's harness automator that we mentioned in the shell script provisioner script. So thank you for watching, and in the next video we'll see how to make use of HTTP utility in Harness platform, and subscribe to Harness Community YouTube channel to watch more such videos.